Hey everyone! I hope everybody's doing okay at home. I'm here in my studio, but it is turned into a circus tent for the kids to stay busy over the weekend. Um, but I'm going to keep this video short, and then I'll do another video in a minute that's silent where I'm actually working. I did a video the other day where I took our 11 by 14 mixed media board. Mine looks a little different than yours because I have a different brand, but it's the heavier cardstock board. And I folded it in half, folded it in half, folded it in half until I had 8 little rectangles of paper. And hopefully you can follow along in the video before where I did that. And then I just used simple graphite with a mechanical pencil, and I created really simple little designs with big, medium, and small shapes, some curvilinear and some straight shapes. And you can see them in a still photo and in the video I made, but just really simple little cards with some pretty basic designs. I didn't use a ruler or anything. I just kept it real simple. This one I did as a fade in for a gradient. I did another for a fade out. Again, round shapes and straight shapes, and I tried to get things so that they're overlapping. My fade in gradient or fade out. Some really simple little designs so I could practice different ways to paint. So what we'll need to start, we're just going to test our paint with our black and white acrylic, and we won't do any color yet. In a couple days I'll upload a video where I do a color theory talk. I'll upload the presentation that goes along with the color, and we'll get into that and do some more tests with that soon. But we're just going to start with the black and white, and I'm going to just use really simple flat brushes. So this one here, this one here. I can talk about brushes in a different video. I'm going to try to keep the videos pretty short, but I'll do a whole nother demo on brushes and on cleaning them and how to take care of them. But I'll just start with like the simple, like how we're going to get our stuff started. We're also going to need, I also have a different brand here, but your palette paper. You should have all the Dick Blick stuff, I think. The palette paper is like a waxy surface on one side, and that's where we'll squirt our paint out and then do our tests. I'm going to try and show you in the video when I'm not talking through it how we're going to do washes. We'll do thick paint. We'll do it where we mix. I'm going to keep it pretty simple. In another video down the road, I'm going to do one where it's just mixing a value scale. And the value scale, like we've learned with the dry materials, the markers and the graphite, if you can make something be light, medium, and dark, it'll look like it's receding in space. So it's a pretty powerful tool, and I'll make a value scale on one of the silent videos that you can scrub through and watch without me talking. You'll also need a little cup for water and a palette knife, which should be in your kit. You'll need those, and if you have it, I would have had these in the classroom. Just a little spray bottle will help, so that if you have to walk away from your palette for a little while, you can squirt the paint and it'll stay wet a little longer. But hopefully you can follow along in the video without me talking through it, and I'll try to do it visually. And I think that's it for an introduction. Okay, I hope everybody's holding up okay, and we'll have another Zoom on Tuesday just to touch base. Your homework up until this point, or your project up until this point, is to have just had these prepared, and also to have your, I'll grab them, your worksheet filled out about your brand, your designs started, and then that you refine some of the designs. So by Tuesday, if you could have the worksheet, the brand identity, and then these filled out, I'll get a little closer, And these were the ones where in the last video and on the slide presentation, I had talked about looking at other examples of designs online or in magazines to help you revise. So this is what you need for Tuesday. And then we'll start doing painting techniques, exercises, practices before we even begin to paint our real designs. Okay, thanks everybody. I hope you're doing well. See you soon. Bye.